Let's take 600 and multiply it by 5,000. These guys have made over $2 million, which is absolutely incredible. I'm gonna show you precisely how they're doing it in today's video, as well as how you can use this strategy to generate money online. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on the red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to use free images to make money online. I'll show you how people do this online and make millions of dollars. This is a short 3-step method that even a beginner can understand. I'll show you each step, so make sure that you watch until the end. For this method, you don't need a website, so it's important to find a way to have your website built for you so you don't have to do it yourself. By watching this video, you can learn how to make money online with this method. Making a website for the first time is hard and expensive, so let's start the lesson. So in 3 easy steps, I'll show you how to use photos to make money online. Now, one of the easiest ways to find pictures online is to type a word or phrase into Google and then click images. Now, most of these images are protected by copyright, so we can't use them, but all creative works whose exclusive rights have expired, been given up, or been waived are in the public domain. Now, it's weird that we can use photos that are in the public domain to make money online, but here's the right way to do it. First, let's find a picture to sell. Google public domain picture websites or something similar to get a list of websites where you can find free images that are still in the public domain. On free-images.com, you can look for certain images. Now, I'm going to use an example from my research in this video. I know that this picture makes money, so we'll use it for research and then I'll show you step by step on how to make money with it. By the way, comment down below, I am from this country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So, drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now, we need to find the picture first so we can move on to step 2. This is a simple website where you can search for black and white, vector, fine art, illustrations, or all free stock photos. For now, we'll go to fine art and look for a painting of a sunset. Now, you don't want to click on the top ones because they're ads and you'll have to pay for them. But if we go down, you'll see abstract sunset paintings that we can make a lot of money from, and you can even use them right now without paying anything. As we scroll down, we can see many beautiful abstract paintings of sunsets. When you click on a few of them, like this one, you can see that their original size is 965 by 810, which is too small. So you can click on some until you find a good size, so that's too small. Here I found a 1031 by 620 image, so I'll hit the download button. Now you'll have to do some research to find out what sells, so this is a little backwards, but I'll show you how to get the photos, improve them, and then make money. Now that you have an image, you can improve it with a free web editor. You might still make money even if you don't do this, but it's always a good idea to make it better. Again, go to Google and type in free photo editors in the search bar. There are a lot of things you can use to change an image. I'll use photofilters.com, which is a place where you can look around and submit your photo. The next step is to go to Filters, Basics, or Effects. Now, you can do a lot of things here. I'll use filters like clarity filters and so on. I'll use Brownie and you can see how it makes the picture look better. If I take it away, you'll be able to see the difference. Now, we go to filters and use the Brownie one, which makes it look red. You might want to do this, but it really depends on how you want to present yourself and where do you want to go. Okay, so how can we use an image we've improved to make money online? I'll show you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below. And if you do, that would be awesome. Without further ado, let's get back to work and earn some cash. First, look for a picture on freeimages.com. Second, enhance the image. And third, try to sell it. Step 3 is research, which you can do before steps 1 and 2 if you want. Let's talk about how to use this to make money. So, how can you make money online with this strategy? Well, let's go first to Etsy.com and look for things for sale that have to do with images. You can click on all of these different categories like outside and garden. But before you choose an image, you should do some research, but let's take it step by step. Some photos are on pillows in the outside area, but that's probably not the right place for this video. Still, you can take a look at Etsy. Now, home and living could be a nice niche, but there are many others where you can find people selling photos and look at their ratings to see what they're selling and how many they've sold. So, like this canvas here. We scroll down to a landscape painting, another canvas here, big canvas here, and home and life. Now, how do you sell a canvas that you don't own? I'll tell you how to do that in a second, but first we need to find a niche where you can sell images, like this one of a person in a rowboat that you can find on that website. Let's use a piece of art about a sunset as an example for this guide. So we can see if the sunset art is selling by looking at it here. Some of them, 1100, 26, and 30, have a lot of reviews, but only a small number of buyers write reviews, so there are probably more buyers than we think. Take this one as an example. This person is selling it for 34,825 pesos, which is about $600 to $650 in my currency. Now, these guys are getting a lot of money for this, as you can see from the fact that it has been sold more than 5,303 times. That number times 600 will tell you how much they make per day. Stop here for a moment. I want you to take a deep breath and feel the money flowing your way because things will become better sooner. Before I reveal to you the last tips and tricks, we would like you to smash that like button as well as hit that red subscribe button, and so we will make these dreams come true. Oh, you completed that already? Thank you. And so let's begin the last step in making money online. So how do we sell this painting? Very simple and automatic. All you have to do is set it up and I'll show you how. First, since you saved the picture of a sunset from the website I gave you, let's visit Printfy.com. You can print photos onto canvases using this website. Printfy.com has everything you need to know, including a detailed tutorial on how to set up and use the service. Now I'm gonna show you how to do designs. I made a new account for this tutorial, and to sign up, you need to put in your email address and password. To do this, click sign up at the top right, then go to design your first product and choose home and living. You can also choose other, but for this example, I want to do home and living because that's what this is for. Then click canvas and you'll see since they now have a big canvas, you won't get as much for yours. Here you can start designing and add your design from my device and make it bigger. I haven't gotten to the color yet, but we can move it around to make it look good, and we can see how it looks right here. It has pictures of the front, back, side, and a close-up that you can use on Etsy. Now let's talk about how much it costs, since this one looks really nice. Once you upload and save the picture, now they'll charge you $43 plus $21 for shipping for a total of $60, and you'll have to sell it for a profit. You can sell it for twice, 3 times, or even 4 times as much, and they'll take care of everything. They usually connect immediately to Etsy, so here they will connect to your Etsy account. If you want to build your own Etsy account, go to sign in or join up and create your own Etsy shop. You can actually watch a video on YouTube and look up how to link your Etsy shop to Printfy on the internet. Once you do, just like these guys, you'll be able to make beautiful canvases and sell them online to make money. So what we're left with is how do you get your image to the top so people will then click on it. Again, if you Google shop in Etsy or YouTube in this case, all of these people have made tutorials that show you exactly how to do your search engine optimization on Etsy because Etsy is like a search engine. You can literally go and sell those images from freeimages.com on a canvas or a t-shirt or anything like that, but canvases work best and you can make money doing this very simple way to make money online. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video, and if you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.